So what's up you guys, and welcome back to the channel. Hi, welcome if you're new around here. So for today's video I thought I'd do the biggest requested video ever on this channel, and it's a mukbang. I don't know why you guys want me to do a mukbang, but you requested it, so that is what we're going to do, and we got quite a bit to talk about, so you know. So yeah, so we're going to do a McDonald's mukbang. So yeah, so without further ado, let's get started with the video. There we go, we are all set and ready. So yeah, so I thought I'd just do a mukbang because, you know, why not. So I'm going to show you my order. It's a bit of a weird order, let me tell you that, but it's normal as well. So we did go for McDonald's, like I've already said, but I've got a large Coke, and yes, I've got a can of Coke because I did start this earlier, so you know. And then I got some large fries on its own because I'm addicted to their fries at the moment. And then my actual meal was Quater Pander and some fries. So you know, so we're gonna get everything set up and then get started, because I did bring up the ketchup because I always like a bit of ketchup, because it's always better with ketchup. That's just my opinion. Ah, crap, that went on my trousers. Let me just pull this ketchup out, and then I will be with you. And let me just grab some tissue. Got some right here. Oh. So let me know in the comments your McDonald's order, because I love to know. And before you come at me, yes, I did move up my bedroom again. It's because I get really bored. So, but I prefer to stay out to the other one. So I've got some questions. Just because I don't know what's happening with work. So it does really depend on work. Because if you guys didn't know, I do work at my local cinema. So I am a cinema host. So it depends when that reopens, but most probably just go and see family and friends that I haven't been able to see. And I have got plans to go up London when it all reopens with one of my good friends from work. Yes, she used to work where I work now. So other than that, nothing else really. But there could be plans within the family, but we just haven't planned anything yet because we're waiting for everything to reopen. So again, this question ties into what my plans are for after lockdown, but it's basically what are you looking forward to after lockdown? So what I'm looking forward to after lockdown is obviously getting my hair sorted because it has got longer, and getting my teeth done. Well, finally having my teeth. I'll update you guys on that in a minute. But so far I've only got planned, well, we haven't planned it, but we mentioned it. Like I said, that me and my friend from work want to go up London again. And when I say London, I mean central London. That where the Big Ben and London Eye is. So that would be nice. So teeth update time. So I was supposed to get them in, not last week but the week before. We thought anyway. But when we went back, it was just another fitting, because the dentist that I have is a bit of a perfectionist and she wants to make sure they're perfect and they fit alright and that they don't fall out. So I do have a picture with me with them in, but I just haven't showed anyone outside of my family because I'm trying to keep it a surprise. Because people say I look like. So I'm still going to do a whole teeth reveal video because I've already started it. But yeah, I'm looking forward to going back to the cinema as a to watch movies as well. Not to actually just go to work. Because I'm looking forward for Black Widow to come out, which I look so sick. And Spider-Man No Way Home. Yeah, and that's what I'm looking forward to. So I am looking forward to eating a homemade burger and a chopped up apple. Those are the two things that I'm looking forward to eating the most. Oh, and my dad's homemade cheese toasty, because I miss them so much. And that was literally one of my favourite things. So I've got just got another question in. And it is, what is my go-to order from McDonald's or wherever you're ordering from? So obviously we ordered from McDonald's. And lately I'd order a quarter pounder meal and extra fries, but it used to be Quater Pander and double cheeseburger. But since we locked down, because they haven't been able to do like take salt off chips and stuff like that, I've just gotten used to the chips, and I absolutely love McDonald's chips. I know that's weird, but that's just me. Pardon me. So let me know your order down below. And what your favourite chips are. McDonald's, Burger King, KFC. I do like, my favourite chips are KFC chips, but my local KFC I can't order from because it's made me ill 3 times, so I just don't order from there. So there you have it, guys. That is my McDonald's mukbang and update. If you did, smash that thumbs up, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you haven't done so already. And yeah, sorry about the angle setup and that, but I hope you guys enjoyed this mukbang, and I'll see you guys back here on Friday for a brand new video. So until then, bye.